Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create a channel on WhatsApp. Before that, you have to make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated. So to check that, just go to your Play Store and using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out WhatsApp. Then once you found the application, just have to click on it, and then if you see the button where it says update, so just have to click on it to download the updated version of the application. And once the updated version is complete, you will then just have to click on the open. So this one, and then the application will open. Now that you're here, just go to the update section. That is why it is very important to update your WhatsApp application. Now you'd be able to see the channels. So just simply click on the plus icon and then click on create channel. And then simply click on continue. Just have to read all of this information. And right here, you can upload your photo for your channel and create your channel name. And of course, describe your channel, including a description is useful for your followers. So for example, I'm going to name this one as the announcement channel. And after that, just click on the create channel at the bottom and your channel will be created. Now, to share this channel or to invite people to join your channel, you can just click on the share channel link and click on the share link, copy link, or share to my status. So, for example, we are going to share the link. So, you can now share this link to different social media platforms where you can invite people to join your channel. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Thanks.